the teeth in the window has to touch all the surgical template. That's when we make sure that the surgical template is in place correctly. So I opened the flap and I decided to go with the vertical incision because we have to do a bone grafting at the same time, the GBR at the same time. So full thickness flap, alright? Clean out all the granulation tissue and everything. The surgical template in place. The milling cutter, the 2.2 millimeter drill. Check. The guide pin is in the middle hole. The 2.8 millimeters drill. Check. That's the implant. This is fully guided because we put the implants in while using a surgical template as well. Make sure that the depth is good. The insertion torque is more than 15 Newton centimeters. In this case, I put the variable base in first. The bone on the side is touching the variable base, so I decide to remove the bone a little bit. Now I check with the variable base again. I check with the crown. See, I fit the crown in right away. No adjustment. Now I cement it outside the mount and waiting for the cement to set on the variable base. In the meantime, I start doing a GBR. I put the deproteinized bone wide bone in, BioOS, BioGuide, ready to close. Put the crowns on, torque to 20 Newton centimeters, and then start suturing. This whole thing takes me about an hour to fit everything in place. Actually, less than an hour. It's an hour because we want to do the videotape. And this is the 3 months follow-up. Now, a lot of people ask me what kind of crown am I using. In this kind of situation, we want to do immediate crown on top of it right away. And I don't want to use a zirconia in this kind of situation yet. So I decided to go with this hybrid ceramic. This from Vita. It's called Inami. Is the hybrid ceramic. So basically, it's a resin composite that has zirconia inside. So it's stronger than just a resin composite, but it's not as strong as zirconia. Okay? It still gives us nice and enough translucency, and you don't have to put it in the furnace. You don't have to fire it up. Just melt it, and then you can just use it right away. So I put it in, and that is 3 months follow-up. Now, we are in the process of making a final restoration. Because with this immediate provisional, I want to take it out of occlusion. Because this is just for smiling. Alright? There's a lot about guided surgery that needs to be